So we have a problem here where they did not do a drip edge properly. So if you look right here, you see how the shingle overhangs the drip edge? Well, that's still not enough, but that's a minimum it should overhang. The problem is you come back here and it's not overhanging at all. And so the water's coming off that shingle and it's actually going between the shingle and that drip edge. The water's getting in the back. Well, when that happens, you have what's called wicking, and that water will get back behind this fascia board. The water sits up here underneath the soffit, and the water sits in the soffit, it runs to the lowest point and drips out. So that water's pooling right here. That wood inside is getting soaked. Eventually that wood that's soaked starts to rot because of the heat, and then it rots from the inside out. So the wood rot starts on the inside, it works its way out, spreading like cancer. Finally, you see it when it comes all the way through the paint. But when we peel that back, you'll see that all of this is actually rotted out. So that's like the very end, the fruit. That's the last straw right there. And unfortunately, most homeowners see that and they think, oh, I got to get that fixed. An experienced roofer sees that and carpenter says, yeah, that needs to get fixed. But to fix that, we have to fix everything back here. The rafter tails have wood rot. The decking has wood rot. And if we just fix the fascia so aesthetically it looks good, it's kind of like putting a Band-Aid on a cancer patient. It doesn't fix the problem. It just makes it look okay. It hides it. So this project, we will need to remove this, replace the 1x2 trim, and then come back in here and what we call scab. We'll cut out the wood rot, add new rafters, and those rafters will hold this fascia up, and we'll replace that. That's a Frontline job.